Welcome all to Financial Freedom Session 8 of 21. So we have covered a lot of ground as of now and a lot of videos we have gone. Yesterday we went through the triangles. So today's session will be of around 15 to 20 minutes. We'll have a short session followed by question and answer. So if you have question and answers, you can ask question and answers. So let's straight away dive into the triangles. And triangles, like I said, they are gold mine. Once you start finding them, then you will get a lot of high probability trades. So let me show you theoretically and then we will go through it practically. Okay, so we have triangles, right? So triangle, as we all know, I will draw the triangle first. Let's say this is the price movement. The price can either go from bottom, go up, form a top, start coming down, then it can stop going down, so it will form a bottom, again goes up, again goes down, and forms a bottom. And somewhere here, this is the point where we identify the okay, something looks like triangle formation. So what we do is we draw a line from this point to this point and we extend it. Then we draw a line, we join this point and extend it, something like that. I don't know if I can extend this line. Okay, something like this. So what we see a triangle. So the the first and foremost thing is the price should be very clearly visible bouncing between the two lines. Okay, what mistake people do is they see this, the price will go like this, the price will go like this, then it will come like this, and then they see something going like this and then a line jumping like that and again coming down, and they think it is a triangle. No, this is not a triangle. Don't consider it as a triangle. In a triangle, as you will try to find out, it will be very clearly visible that the price will go up, it will hit the wall. Of course, the wall we make later, again come down, it will bounce like a ball within the triangle. So it has to very cleanly bounce within the lines. The other way around, how we find is we find the top and then we get the lines. So that is how we find. Okay. Now, there are three triangles only. See, in trigonometry, of course, we learn a lot of triangles, but in stock market, the price action forms only three triangles. One is the price will go up, come down, then the next high is lower than this previous high, it will come down and start going up. So what happens is, this is the price, this price is lower than, sorry, this high is lower than this high, this low is higher than this low. So higher lows, lower high, when you see the price is getting compressed. When you see such price movement, then if you join it with a line, if you join it with a line and extend up to some extent, and the bottom ones also, you extend, then you will see, okay, should I change the color? Or it is okay? Everyone is so clear, right? What I'm drawing. No confusions. Yes, no? Okay. So this price, so once we see the top, lower and lower top is forming, we join it with a line. This triangle, if you see from a perspective without the price action, it will look something like this. Okay. This is a triangle. So visibly it will look something like this. So here also it will look something like this. So this is a symmetrical triangle, what they call. So we are looking for something like symmetrical triangle. If we go and see the practical aspect of it, how it will be looking in the charts, I just found out. See, this is how it will look. The price went up here, it touched, went down, cleanly it went down. Again, it went up, went down till the bottom. And then, so we have 2 points, 1 point, 2 point, one line is joined, 1 point, 2 point, second line is joined. When it's a daily chart, the distance between the 2 points is at least 15 days. 15 days difference, 15 and more, but it will not be 50. If it is 50, then it is a weekly chart. So typically the distance between the two high, this is the high of the candle, this is the high of candle, we join, this is the high, and so it is forming a uh, symmetric triangle. If it breaks on this side, how far it will go? It will go by the height of the width of this triangle. That means from this point to this point, whatever point measure is there, roughly I think this is 544. 544 till here it is 564. So around 20 points, whenever it will break, from this point onwards, it will go up by 20 points. So this is a symmetrical triangle. I'll come to the point why I'm so much stressing on this types of triangle, and then we can see. Those symmetrical triangle, this is clear to everyone how it will appear, on the chart. I'm sorry, it's a snapshot, so the Ichimoku indicator is also visible on that, but you can always filter it out, right? Okay, great. Now, second type of triangle is the price goes up, or let's take the price goes down. Either way, it doesn't make a difference much. The price goes down, and typically this will happen when the price is falling down. You will find triangles when the price is going down. That is the best place to look for triangles. So you can look out for a downtrend where the stock has gone down by 15 to 20%. Let it go, then it will start going up. Okay, so this is first bottom which has formed. Then it will let it go up, then it will come down, and it will come to the same level of previous. Maybe drawing के कारण थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे लग रहा है, but it will come to the same level, again start going up. Then the high, the next high may not be equal to, it will not be the same height as previous high, and it starts going down again, goes to the same level. So this is the third bottom. So this is called double bottom. This is first, this is second, again third bottom, it starts going up. Okay, now here you have to see if you join the bottoms here, this line is flat. Okay, and if we join the tops, then the top is in the declining mode. So this is the flat line. So this is a triangle. So it will make a triangle. So we join it top. Now, if we compare this with our earlier triangle was something like this, where both the sides, the top and bottom, both the sides were inclined. This was going down, this was going up. So this is going down, this is going up. This is the symmetrical triangle. This is the descending triangle where the top line is descending, the bottom line is flat. Okay, so this is another type of triangle. Third type of triangle is when, let's say, the price is going down, it forms a bottom, goes up, forms a top, comes down. Now this bottom is not at the same level as the previous bottom. It starts going up, forms a high at the same level. What is here? It forms a high at the same level, goes down and starts going up. So here what is happening is, we'll have a triangle where if we join the high, this will be the flat, and if we join the bottoms, the bottom line will be inclined. So the top line will be flat, bottom line will be inclined. So now if we see the previous triangle, just before that, the previous triangle looked something like this, and here it is looking something like this. Okay, so this is the ascending triangle where the bottom line is ascending. Let's take three examples quickly. We have already taken this is symmetrical triangle. Okay, this is VBL. Okay, this is a symmetrical triangle. It went up. Okay, sorry, I think. Okay, so this is a symmetrical triangle. This is the ascending triangle. See, price went here, went down, again at top, bottom, and then it broke out. So this is a ascending triangle where the bottom line is ascending, the top line is flat. This is descending triangle where this is 75 minutes time frame. Okay, let me find a sample. These are all ascending triangles. This is the descending triangle. So this is going down, going up, going down, going up, and then it shoots. So this is a descending triangle. Now, I'll come to you for questions. I want to show you a very, very important point. Now, I want everyone to pay attention. This is very, very important because otherwise you'll make a mistake in drawing the triangles. Okay, let me erase everything. I'll first I'll draw the three triangles for you. First is the symmetrical triangle, what we are looking for. Second is the descending triangle, what we saw. So we'll have a line like this. Okay, and the flat line, and then the upper line goes like this. And third is we have a flat line like this, and we will have a bottom line like this. We have to look out for only three types of triangles. This is symmetrical triangle, this is descending, this is ascending. Now, the finer point here is, and pay attention to this finer point of the triangle is, see here, if I draw a price action within, see, this is the bottom, it went up, came down. Okay, let me draw with color, different color. Here, let me draw with a green color. Okay, now the price went down, it formed a bottom, it went up, hit here, formed a bottom, went up, and a breakout. Now let's call this bottom number 1, and this is the bottom number 2. Okay, now pay attention. Bottom number 2 is higher than 1 or lower than 1. If you think it is higher than 1, type H. If it is lower than 1, type L. What do you think? Bottom 2 is higher than 1? Okay. So in the symmetrical triangle, the bottom, the second bottom is higher than the first bottom. This is a plain flat line. So let's say if I am taking a price action here, the price entered here, made a high, then went down, made a low, went up high, then went up low, and then there is a breakout. Let's say this is a descending triangle. This is a descending triangle. In this is the bottom 1 and this is the bottom 2. Okay, this is a flat line. So in descending triangle, the bottom 2 is almost at the same level as bottom number 1. So 2 is at the same level as 1. Now, for this ascending triangle, let's say the price went up, down bottom, it went up, down bottom, down, and then it broke off. Now this is bottom number 1, this is bottom number 2, this is an ascending triangle. Okay, now bottom is 2 is higher than 1 or lower than 1? Higher, right? Now what is the point I'm trying to make here? ठीक है, मतलब ये तो दिख रहा है यार, उसमें क्या है, मतलब ऐसा इतना इतना क्या important बात है? Why I'm stressing it so much is, see, in all these three triangles, when you are forming this triangle, remember that the bottom, the second bottom is either higher than first one or at the same level as first one. Okay, so we have three triangles: symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, ascending triangle. When you are drawing it and you want to confirm whether you have drawn it correctly, the correct way, first test is the second bottom where you have joined the first bottom with a line, is the second bottom higher than the first one or at the same level as the first one? If the second is lower, let's say if the bottom is forming like this, it is going up, and if the second bottom is lower, this is first, this is second, and if you join 1 and 2 here, this is not a triangle. Don't mistake this for a triangle. So for a triangle, when you have to draw a triangle, for drawing a triangle on a price action, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 has to be either higher than 1 or at the same level as 1. Clear? Everyone clear about the concept, whether it is correct or not, whether you are drawing it correctly or not? This is the test. Clear? Okay. Same way, if you see here, the top, the second top will be lower. Say second top is either higher or the bottom is either higher or the same place. In the top, the high tops, the top will be lower. This is the second top. Okay, I have not drawn it. Let me not draw it correctly. Okay, so here, if this is top 1, this is top 2. So the tops will be going down in symmetrical triangle. tops will be going down in descending triangle, or tops will be at the same level in the ascending triangle, but top will not be higher and higher. Okay. So top has to be lower and lower, bottom has to be higher and higher or flat, then only it's a triangle. Anything else is not a triangle. Sometimes what happens is you see something like this, it is going down, it is going up, going down, you join this. If the next top is higher than this, then this is not a triangle. Don't mistake it for a triangle. Okay. Similarly, if there's a bottom and second bottom is going down, the line is going down like this is not a triangle. Don't mistake it for a triangle. Clear how to find triangle? I will find the triangles. We will have some sessions on triangle. I'll find triangles and I'll share with you some tradable triangles. Also will find, but at least on theory, this triangle is clear. So we are looking only for three types of triangle. Other than that, we are not looking for it. What is how to identify a triangle? If you spot a triangle, how to make sure it is a correct triangle? This is how you have to make sure it is a correct triangle. Okay, clear? Now, what is the target? Now, if you have to see the triangle as per the triangle theory, whatever is the points, whatever points are between the top, the highest top and the lowest bottom. So you have to measure the distance between the two. This is the distance. You have to, how do I pick it up? Okay, so whatever is the distance, the same distance, it will travel whenever it exits, it will travel the same distance, this much distance. So this is some distance, whatever is this distance, same is the target. So we can enter here, exit when it reaches that target. So that is how the triangle targets are made. Okay, whatever triangle. So take the top, bottom, measure the distance. Distance means if this is at 100, this is at 110, difference is 10. So whenever it will exit, it will go up by 10 points as per the triangle theory. But it is not a guarantee. It is not a assurance. It is a high probability. There is a possibility of failure also, like I showed you. Failure in the sense it will go down. So you have to be accepting that it might go down. So you should be always be ready with the stop loss, and psychologically here you should be ready to exit also if it goes down. You should not start talking to yourself, nahi, I'll go for a long term. I am a long term investor. This stock bahut badhiya hai. This, that. No, don't do self talks. Stop loss, exit, finish. Okay, so clear, everyone clear about the triangles, how it is formed, how it should be appearing, and how is the target. Okay. So here we have the sample. This is descending triangle, again descending triangle. This is again descending triangle. This is what descending only symmetrical triangle. Okay, so okay, so that brings us to the end of the session today. So it is open for question and answers. We'll find some triangles going forward and we'll share. But by the time you people can also find, you can send me a message that okay, I have found this triangle. You can make the drawing. Okay, don't send me people. So what the people do is they'll send me just the name. Why don't you check out this stock? Means I have to go to that stock, open the stock, see whether there is a triangle or not. Don't make me do thing like, don't make me work hard for you. What you do is you go draw the lines, take a picture, send that picture to me, and then ask this question. Okay, this triangle is in this stock. What do you think about it? Normally people will just send me the name. Okay, check in IDFC. That's it. उनका काम हो गया. अब मेरे को पूरा काम करना है, open the chart and all. Most of the time I'll not reply. So take a picture, send me the picture, I'll respond. You can send me one-on-one message, I'll respond, but with a picture, not just like check out that stock. No. Okay. Okay. So that's the Okay, so I hope the triangle part is clear to everyone. Can I have yes if you have understood the triangles, what are triangles, what is the rule of triangle, what is a training stop loss we have discussed yesterday. So with this, believe me, this is a very, very powerful tool, very highly successful. This is bit manual. Yes, there is no indicator per se. Indicators were developed to ease out. Like many people must be thinking, नहीं यार कहीं से मुझे एक वो pop up दे दे और then I can trade. That is how the indicators were developed. But before the indicators were developed, this is how people used to trade technically, finding the triangles and trading. Okay, so we are going from the traditional way towards indicator and like that, because indicator also you have to understand why the indicator is developed this way. Then you start enjoying that indicator and you start trading on that indicator. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Sir, this triangle tool, what you have given us, the price rise, is it independent of fundamentals or it is only based on the technicals and trend?
Purely technical. This is purely technical. This has nothing to do with fundamental.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is because this is short term. This will last, this trade will last for hardly maybe 15 days, 20 days. So there is fundamentally nothing happens in 20 days. Typically, it's only technical only. There is some consolidation happening. People are expecting some results in the short term and then they buy and then the euphoria sets in. So but the consolidation is indication. The triangle is an indication that some news is awaited, but the news will come after breakout only. Like when it will reach target, then only the news will come. So we catch the consolidation, we ride the wave. Once the news comes, believe me, the target is reached, come out. It's a purely technical thing, nothing fundamental about this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
But one thing is, you should find triangles in fundamentally decent stocks. Why I'm saying is because you will have more people trading in those stocks. So it will be easy to enter and easy to exit. So there are at least 200 good, fundamentally good stocks.
Yeah. That we will ensure. After that, we will talk.
Correct.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, this is Sheetal here.
Yeah.
Sir, I have two questions. I suppose you must have explained, but I somehow did not get this. That you said that the price, once it goes outside the triangle, first it needs to be closed.
The
How
candle
do we
must
know
close.
that the price? Okay.
The candle must close outside the triangle.
Oh, the candle must close outside the triangle.
See here, if I cut this,
Yeah.
see, somewhat it will appear like this. See, this is a triangle.
Yeah.
Okay, this was the triangle, correct?
Yeah.
And this candle, this is a green candle, and this candle closed here, correct?
Okay.
So this is a
Oh,
confirmed
so that
close.
is closed.
That is
Okay.
closed. Sometimes it will go. So you have not gone through all the videos of trading view, or I have not explained candlesticks there.
No, you explained us the candlestick. I
उसमें है
understood,
ना
but
कैंडलस्टिक,
you
मतलब आई एम जस्ट नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग, बहुत पहले मैंने अपलोड किया था. सो
नहीं आपने
है ना,
कैंडलस्टिक हम सिखाया है सर. बट वो जब आप बोले ना कि वो क्लोज हो गया, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि वो क्या मतलब था. अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन है सर. सर जैसे आपने स्टॉप लॉस सिखाया था कि वंस, मैं सिर्फ क्लियर करना चाह रही हूँ, हैव आई अंडरस्टूड इट करेक्ट और नो, कि जैसे एक बार आपका प्राइस आउटसाइड चला गया ट्रायंगल का, सो टू कैलकुलेट द स्टॉप लॉस यू टेक half of the previous candle. मतलब
you take from here, see, price range देखिए, यहाँ से ये है, यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, ठीक है ना?
Can you enlarge it a bit if you
okay
can?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is where it has broken out. So let me just take it from here till where it touched the triangle here. So see, if you see the distance from here to here, where it touched the bottom, where the price touched the bottom line, this is the bottom line, price had touched here, correct? Okay.
Okay.
नहीं ऐसा इतना
No, the
doubtful
triangle is
see
नहीं,
this
the
is
triangle is there. The candle is not till there.
अरे ये है ना, विक गया है ना नीचे तक इसका,
हाँ, अच्छा, ओके
टच किया ना वहां पे,
ओके ओके
वो शायद दिख नहीं रहा होगा, तो ये विक है, सो विक हैज गॉन टिल हियर, it has touched till here.
हाँ
When you draw the triangle, it
या
will, okay, so I'll keep it
या
here. Okay, now ये है, अब ये टोटल यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ 54 लिखा हुआ मिल रहा है,
हाँ हाँ
so it automatically calculates to, the how many points the difference is there from here to here. ठीक है,
ओके,
इसका आधा कर लीजिए, कितना हो 50,
वो फिर समझ गए, हाँ
है ना, 26 कर लीजिए, तो 26 हो गया।
हाँ, अच्छा,
ठीक है, अब इसको 26 को यहाँ रख दीजिए, ठीक है, अब 26 पे फिर यहाँ लाइन खींच दीजिए, ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो गया। दिस इज योर इनिशियल स्टॉप लॉस वेयर यू विल एग्जिट with probable loss if it goes up,
लॉस, या
है ना?
या
Once it
या
starts going
then
up,
trailing
it
stop loss, yeah
trail by 26 points.
yeah, that I got it. I was just
हाँ,
clarifying that the
yeah,
stop loss, what I understood, वो calculation जो
ठीक,
बॉटम टच करता है वहां
हाँ,
से वो हाफ
वहां
लेना
से
है।
यहाँ तक ले लो, उसका हाफ ले लो, और पूरा भी ले सकते हो, एंड दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। हाफ इज बेटर, इट इज ओके इफ इट यू हिट स्टॉप लॉस हिट करता है, फिर ट्रायंगल से बाहर निकलता है, टेक द ट्रेड अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके,
ओके
okay,
सर,
great. So Amit was trying to unmute. Yeah, Amit, go ahead.
Yeah. Essentially, I had one specific related to one example. Can you open the MHRI one?
Which, what is the?
Mahindra Holidays and Resorts.
अच्छा, MHR.
MHRI.
Okay.
Yeah, so in this, the first example that we saw of the
Was here.
triangle formation was from May onwards.
Yeah.
And then after that, again, do we see a triangle forming over here somewhere in the month of September, October?
September, October. See, let's see. अभी ये बहुत बढ़िया example है, right? So this is the top. If I join top with top, can the top be higher than the second top be higher than the first top? अभी मैंने explain किया. I hope everyone has noted it down.
No, not that one. I was mentioning looking at this red dot. That one.
See,
Or
okay.
is that too close?
One, it is too close because, and plus वो ऐसा रगड़ खाता हुआ ऐसा फील हो रहा ना आपको. See,
Okay.
it is है, मतलब see, it worked, somehow it worked. Okay. Seems that okay, it has gone up, gone down, and it has worked, it has triggered. So, but it's not very neat and clean. मतलब neat and clean कहेंगे तो हम, आप कहोगे यार neat and clean मतलब क्या है? So just compare this two. Here, this is the one, and this is the triangle. Okay. So
Right.
now if you compare the both, ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब वो जैसे अब आप उसको नीट जैसा भी समझना समझ लीजिए, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो है वो इट क्रैम्ड लग रहा है, यहाँ पे ये देखिए बिल्कुल क्लीनली वो बाउंस कर रहा है,
Distribution
लाइंस
is
के बीच में डिस्टेंस है, द प्राइस इज बाउंसिंग बिटवीन द लाइंस एंड इट इज गोइंग. सो यस, दिस हैज वर्कड, बट आई वुड स्टिल, मतलब पर्सनली भी अगर मैं ढूंढता तो शायद मैं इसको ट्रेड नहीं करता, क्योंकि ये बहुत क्लीन नहीं नजर आ रहा है.
Right.
So
Okay.
I would not give it a triangles definition.
Okay.
कुछ है जो काम कर गया, बट वो डेफिनेटली ट्रायंगल, मजेदार ट्रायंगल नहीं था, मतलब
Okay, got it.
इससे थोड़ा
And
दिल खुश होता ना, मतलब आपको दिल को भी अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना
the
ट्रायंगल.
W is very clearly visible, kind of thing.
हाँ, W is clearly visible, it should be very clearly visible and it should go. like that.
Okay. And in the same example, sir,
Yeah.
now over here, if we see this height over here, the width of the triangle
Ha.
in this case,
Uh-huh.
and after exit, it has gone much more beyond that one.
Ha.
So is
Correct.
this sort of an exception over here? So what do you recommend in this kind of
नहीं,
cases?
इसमें यही है, see the promise is 36 points, so wherever it exits, see it has
Hmm.
closed here, so the promise of this triangle is this much only, till here,
Hmm.
till this point, है ना?
But
So it has gone up, it might go up, there is no stopping for that, but as a good trader, it is better if it reaches the uh, target, you exit, because this is a short-term trade. What we are trying to
okay,
do here, so this is
okay. So in
short-term.
this case, it's recommended to exit over here.
It is recommended to exit. जब हम कल पढ़ेंगे तो इसमें क्या होता है? See, this is after this it went through two Fibonacci retracements, which we will study tomorrow or on Thursday. So it went up, take the target, it will go up and then it will retrace.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we will apply Fibonacci. Today we have learned triangle, है ना?
Hmm.
ट्रायंगल से जब एस्केप करेगा, सो इट विल फॉर्म अ, आफ्टर इट रीचेस टारगेट और बिफोर टारगेट, it will form a retracement. What is a retracement? Like a sea wave, it will come back
Okay.
and then again go ahead. So
Mhm.
kitna, how much it will come back, it will determine how far it will go. So we will be able to measure the wave from here to here, how much it has come back. Based on how much it has come back, I will give you formula how far it will go. तो आपका अगला ट्रेड बन गया शॉर्ट टर्म का.
Okay, okay, got it.
ओके, सो वो है, वो कल सीखेंगे. बट योर आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन इसकी टारगेट अचीव हो गया, आप एग्जिट कर दो, पार्टी वार्टी करो पैसे की.
Okay, thank you, sir. आपको इनवाइट करेंगे सर.
हाँ, डेफिनेटली.
Sir, this is Surendra once again.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, this triangle tool, we should, for a long-term investor, this triangle tool should be a significant thing that should be noted and taken advantage of, or it can
See,
be ignored.
I saw very less triangle. See, if you see, this is a Titan weekly chart, what I showed. So there is a possibility that sometimes it consolidates for weeks together. See, if you see this Titan chart, this is a weekly chart. I have converted this into weekly chart. That means it is starting from 21st March 2022. Came down, went up, went down, and this is the breakout.
Okay.
Now this will go long term. Say this way, the target is 3729. It will take, it has started going up from May. Now we are in almost November, December. So it will take maybe another March, April. It will reach here. So it almost took 1 year for long term. Preferably, triangles should not be, see, technical analysis and fundamental analysis. There is a indicator called Ichimoku, which is a very best suited to mix the fundamental and technical to ride the long duration waves. Triangles typically is a short-term duration tool. Very difficult to ride a long-term wave. In all the indicators, RSI, MACD and all, I found Ichimoku only, which I also use for a long-term riding the wave. So that is there. This is consider this for short-term only.
Okay, sir. You suggest daily or weekly for identifying a triangle?
I would say start with daily. Then once your eyes are set, you can go for weekly. Weekly, daily itself finding is little difficult, tough. You have to do a lot of legwork. Weekly में थोड़ा और it will take effort. So you start daily. If you get daily, trade daily. If you get weekly, you trade weekly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah, Lakshmi, go ahead, please.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir.
I can hear.
First of all, thank you for teaching us small things in each trading. I have two questions.
Yeah.
One is this triangle, like it looks sometimes it's look like a W pattern.
Correct.
When you see like for us as like for you, like you can write it right triangle,
Uh-huh.
but when we try,
Uh-huh.
I mean, I want to show this. Yeah. Here, if
Uh-huh.
without putting triangle, it
Uh-huh.
looks like it is W pattern also.
Correct.
So, yeah, my question is sometimes a double bottom when it comes and it shows like a green candle. So
Uh-huh.
can we trade uh, uh, or we should wait for till triangle should form
No,
and then
you
it should.
try to draw the lines. No, see, you have developed your own way of finding some sense in this price action. Okay, let me reconfirm what you are saying. See, this is a price action. This is making some design.
Yeah.
Okay, you found that design to be W, correct?
Yes.
Dow, Mr. Doe, 120 years ago said this is a triangle. ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं कि we have to say it is a triangle. If you are able to identify it as a W, try to put lines. Okay, like we have put these lines. Try to put these lines. Maybe you will find that it is compressed in some this thing and take a trade. Even if you are taking a trade of a W, it will also work because a double bottom breakout is also there. There is a theory of double bottom breakout. What is a double bottom? Is this W, the W का ये एक bottom है, ये एक bottom है. Top breaks out, it also goes. Okay. So that is also okay. So don't worry ki whether you are it has to be a triangle. No, a W, a breakout of W will also work.
If I take like their engulfing pattern हो गया है ना, तो उधर stop loss क्या up, I mean my
Here,
question is if I take if suppose I felt here this is like okay it is making double bottom
हाँ,
and then engulfing pattern भी आ गया.
हाँ,
Okay, let me try like I can take one chance.
okay.
So फिर उधर stop loss कैसे करेंगे सर?
The low of the engulfing pattern.
अच्छा, okay.
See,
Okay.
engulfing is that means it is engulfing, right? So it is bullish. So it has to work. So let's say this is the engulfing. You take the low of this engulfing. I'll draw the line here. This is the engulfing pattern. It came down. This is the engulfing pattern. You bought here. You take the low of this and just let it go. Correct,
Okay,
huh?
sir. Yeah. And sometimes that stop loss bada like if I mean I don't know it's a silly question or what whether I should ask or not. But my question is जब entry करते हैं तो
हाँ.
entry के साथ ही आप stop loss भी fix करके डाल देते हैं क्या सुबह like?
No, don't put it in the system. Just wait for it to come. I don't normally put. I keep alerts because in trading you, I can put alert. Even few sites will give you even if you are trading in Zerodha or Fires, they will have a alert mechanism. They will send you a notification that okay, the price has crossed this. I normally don't put everyday morning any order. But yes, as a good practice, you can put that, okay, you put it and leave it. If it hits, it hits.
Okay. फिर बाद में ऊपर चले गए तो like whole day
Jayega,
like
jayega. See, it will play all the games with you. It's a, like I said in the first session itself, the learning technical analysis is only if you see the success story, how to become a good trader. So you have to learn technical analysis, you have to learn fundamental analysis, but technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and one is the psychological analysis. Market price movement will play all the games with you. It will hit your stop loss, go up with such a speed that you'll think, yaar, मैं stop loss क्यों लगाया? The day you will not put the stop loss, it will fall as if there is no tomorrow and it has to reach to zero. Then you'll think, मैंने stop loss क्यों नहीं लगाया? You will go through all that thought process and it will test your patience, it will test your psychology, it will baffle you. But believe me, put stop losses. Out of 10 trades, 2 trades will hit your stop loss, go up. If it is going up, take the trade again. क्या दिक्कत है भाई? हमारा कोई झगड़ा थोड़ी है. We are not in fight with market. It hit the stop loss, it hit the stop loss. It has started going up again ride the wave, again put a stop loss. It told okay ठीक है, गलती से हो गया stop loss. See, we should not feel bad about market कि market has hit my stop loss, so no, I will not speak with the market. Why it has hit a stop loss? ठीक है, stop loss hit हो गया, ऊपर जा रहा है, again take the trade, let it go. It will give. Problem happens where it hits a stop loss. People feel very sad, bad about the market. They feel as if they are fighting with someone. There is someone out there to fight, and then they वो नाराज हो जाते हैं उससे market से, and then they don't take the trade. Don't do that. अगर stop loss hit होता है, it will happen, and it starts going up again. It crosses your earlier entry and goes up. Take the trade again. That time it will be more successful. Don't be angry with the market. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So this is all psychology. This is all fear. And another problem comes when we are entering the trade. Then we keep seeing the market. क्या price हुआ? 5 रुपया ऊपर गया, 5 rupees नीचे आया. We feel happy when it goes 10 rupees up. We feel sad when it comes 5 rupees down. And all that dance happens. So don't worry. Once you are in trade, don't look at the chart, what is happening. Don't be happy. Don't be sad.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sir,
Yeah, Vijay.
sir, one question I had on follow up to the previous question.
Uh-huh.
The triangle, when we refer, is it the figure formed by the candlestick movement of the price, or is it the figure formed by the lines that we have drawn?
See, this is the line chart. So line chart is also forming the triangle. See, this is the line I drawn because to give it a sense. Okay.
No, those lines only I was referring to. Is the
This
figure
line, black
formed by
lines.
these two lines? These black lines. Do we call that as the triangle, or do we call this price movement?
No, the triangle is this black line. No, this is the black line. This is the triangle, and the price is trapped inside the triangle. What we say is the price is trapped inside the triangle, and when it will escape that triangle, it will go to the destination in a very speedy manner.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Okay. Great. So great. So many good, excellent questions. Yeah, Sheetalji. So we'll take the last question from Sheetalji.
No. It's not a question. It's just that I just reminding you. So I hope we'll have a session on virtual point
That
trading.
I will have to learn myself, madam. I used to do paper trading some 15 years ago. So I like I told, I used to actually do it on the paper. So I will have to now find some tools which I can teach you. Definitely, that is in my mind. I'll try to find out. If you people also find, you can also find paper trading. Go on net, find some good tools for paper trading. See if they have free accounts. See how it works. Okay, so you can also
paper trading is available on TradingView.
TradingView, it is available. Is it on the free account?
Because 3 years back when we started, we learned on paper on TradingView only.
It is there. This paper trading is there, but I don't know whether it is available for the free account or not.
Sir, mine was free only. Still, I am using free.
ठीक है, तो ये है. So then
कल चेक करके आपको कंफर्म
ठीक है. हाँ, एक आध फ्री ट्रेड करके whether it lasts for the next day also or not, it should show us ना. मतलब हमने पेपर ट्रेड
when I was doing it, it was like till I. Sorry.
हाँ, नहीं बोलिए.
हाँ, मैं जब कर रही थी that time it was taking next day also.
अच्छा.
And when I exit the trade, then only it was getting vanished from the trading view.
Okay.
So I will check and I will confirm it tomorrow.
ठीक. Great.
So will we have class during Diwali?
So I'm not sure of it.
हाँ.
So many changes in trading view.
Correct. There are so many changes are happening. So you can just check and let me know if it is there, then we can share that.
Yeah. Sure, sure.
Sir, and will we have class during Diwali?
No, no, no. Diwali chutti. Abhi from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday chutti. Friday we will have a class. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Tomorrow we will not have a class. Or tomorrow we
Sir,
can have.
Friday भी छुट्टी दे दीजिए ना.
ठीक है. Friday भी छुट्टी. Thursday
Sir,
will.
Friday is Dhanteras, exactly.
So Wednesday, Thursday will keep, and then 4 days holiday will keep.
Okay, sir.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Chali. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for taking out your time and joining. See you tomorrow at the same time, 9 o'clock. We'll learn Fibonacci, the next step to the triangle. What happens when the price exits the triangle? How we get the opportunity to learn and ride the waves further. So that we'll learn tomorrow. So see you all tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thank you.